Here I have a 50-inch Casablanca Meridian Slumber 3 in snow white and gloss white blades. This fan was manufactured on September 7th, 1990, and it was the 571st fan made that day. I do have the hang true that goes with it. Right now it's just on my test rig in the garage. I was going to put this fan in my room, but unfortunately the bearings are rather chattery, so I'm going to have to replace them at some point. When I opened it up, it actually has a Samsung motor in it. It's not a K55. I know that was done on some Casablancas, but this is the first I've seen. I believe my Delta 2 might have it, but I haven't opened that one up. My polished brass Delta 2, that is. But here, we'll take a closer look at it. Get up on the ladder here. There's the tag. Overall, it's in quite good shape. I mean, cosmetically, I wouldn't say it's half bad. I gotta do a little, you got some nicks and scuffs in the blades here, but that's not a big deal to me. And I always thought these fans were kind of cool. I always like the circular vents. It's kind of a cool touch. It does work. And excuse the mess on the workbench, but this was the original down rod it came with. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start it up on low. And excuse that hissing sound. That is it's my air compressor. I mean, on low it runs okay. You hear the occasional chatter. And it is kind of running sluggishly because, like I said, the bearings aren't in great shape. They don't spin very freely. There you go, you can kind of hear it now. Bump her up to medium. As the fan builds speed, the noise is more pronounced. Kind of bummed out about it. I really wanted to put it in my room, but I can't sleep with that. We'll bump it up to high. Performs great on high. And the bearings could need breaking in. I don't know. It could be because it's cold out here. It's about 55 degrees in the garage, so I don't know. I'll put it on the list for right now, but there you have it, folks. 50-inch Casablanca Meridian in snow white, Slumber 3. Thanks for watching.